Here I've got Orange Fova, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down until you see Backup and Reset. It's over here, so click on this tab and go to Factory Data Reset, so the last option. And as you can see, this operation will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform it, click on Reset Phone and tap on Erase Everything. And now you can set up your device as a new one from the scratch. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.